Ben Affleck was spotted speaking as he emerged from his office in Los Angeles on Wednesday amid his marital vows with Jennifer Lopez. J-Lo and Ben have not been seen together in months, and the sources has revealed they have prepared divorce documents to file at a later date. Now amid claims J-Lo is humiliated by the implosion of their marriage, Ben was claimed radiating a cheerful disposition. Dressed in a sleek navy suit without a tie, he was still sporting the foxhawk he acquired as part of his recent shock makeover. He could be seen grinning broadly as he strode across the parking lot, as sources claim he has reached a better mindset and is pushing forward. His latest sighting came after insider revealed his future plans for his impending divorce from J-Lo, his second wife. Last month, he purchased a $20.5 million mansion in the Pacific Palisades after previously moving out of his and J-Lo marital home into a rental property. Ben needed new energy in his life, said a source, noting his new house is more his speed than the sprawling estate he shared with Jennifer. He is in a better mindset and is pushing forward, the insider added to US Weekly. Ben feels like he is being weighed down this year. He will always care for Jen, but he knows the marriage is done and he wants to focus on himself right now. A source in Ben Camp has said that he achieved the closure of the relationship by moving into his new property, but added he was still in contact with J-Lo. Another insider remarked that the couple don't have a lot of common ground and the honeymoon phase has worn off to the point they are now on different pages. As for the legal proceeding, both want a seamless divorce and neither of them want this to be dragged out and contentious, a different source revealed. Still, another insider noted that the pair signed a prenuptial agreement and have been finalizing what that will look like if they pull the trigger, with an eye to remaining amicable after sorting out their split. So thanks for watching this video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.